Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start Hello Unit 10 with you, Ms. Jihan Abbas. Now, the first page. The first page is speaking about hot climate, and I need you to know the difference between climate and weather. Climate for long period, it's a very big period, like weathers, like seasons. Okay, here material, relaxed. Here item of clothing, like things that I wear on my head, things I wear on my legs, feet, body and neck. Earrings, headscarf, scarf, sunglasses, trousers, shorts, boots, sandals, trainers, shoes, belt, handbag, jumper, galabia, necklace, tie. Adjectives to describe the clothes, like beautiful, casual, colorful, comfortable, pretty, smart, strange, stripped, traditional. Dressed, he is dressed in. Things that I'm pointing to someone. He is dressed in black, dressed in yellow, things like this. Jewelry. Galabaya is loose, very white. Sheet here, the things that I cover the bed with, the sheets. Sheets. Okay. Thimble, wooden. Material like cotton, glass, gold, leather, linen, metal, plastic, wood, wool. Go to the other page. Here, some important, the clothing. Clothes is the things that you are wearing, but clothing in general. Flat, item, look like, probably means maybe. Although, American, ancient Egypt, ancient Egyptians, blog here, the things that you are sending on the Facebook. Boat, decide, electric machines. Parents, popular. Popular, as I told you, there is a difference between popular and famous. Famous here means things that known. Okay, popular also known, but you like it so much. It's not only known, it is things that you like it so much. Present, similar, special, style, tourist, type, colors. Here, now going to the language expressions. Things that you wear to keep you warm. Okay, the fan keep us cool. The air condition keep us cool. Okay, wear clothes. Dress differently from. He dresses or dressed differently from me. Most of the time, the same as. Turning to the second page. Here, best for. Eating healthy food is best for your body. Dressed in. Different from. Or differently from. Different from or differently from. Know about. Protect from. In the summer. Okay, these are some opposites. Read it then. Going to here, this page, climate, weather. The climate, as I told you, is a difference between climate and weather before. Skin and leather. The skin here is the skin of persons, skin of animals. I took the skin of the animals, changed it into leather to make bags, shoes like this. Here, going to the most important thing, made of and made from. Things that you say made of, that you can see the material with your eyes, but made from mixed materials that you can differentiate. Where is the material here? How that this chair is made of wood. You can see the wood by your eyes, but the glass is made from sand. You cannot see the sand. Okay, look plus the adjective. He look smart, he look beautiful, like seem tired, like very much or feel happy. This cake is made milk and flour. Of course, I cannot see or differentiate between the milk and the flour while the cake after it baked. So we say from. My shoes are made of the best leather. Egypt has a hot climate in summer. Of course, when you see that summer is a long period, I say climate, not weather. Of course, as I here mentioned, letter B, weather is equal if. Okay? Now going to the other page. Here, this page is the exercise, and I answered it. I sent it to the WhatsApp to you. It's answered, okay? Therefore, we can turn to the other page. The other page here is speaking about order of adjectives or adjectives order. When you wanted to describe one thing with many adjectives, with a phrasal adjective, okay? Here, like I tell some of my students here in the class, the pretty big, thin, young, white woman. I want to describe the woman with some adjectives, but here I cannot say them in random. No, I need to say it in order. I need to say the adjectives in order. Description, size, shape, age, color, material, and noun. We can say DS, SH, A, C, M, noun. Therefore, you have to study the order, okay, to not make any mistake. We can read together the examples here. Women like to wear beautiful gold necklace. I describe, then I say the color, then I say the noun, or a material, then noun. Okay, going to the second example. She likes loose white linen clothes. He wore a long green cotton galabia. It's a beautiful brown and orange necklace, and so on. Okay, now here is a choose. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. She gave him a vase, a small black Egyptian vase. Number 2, this is a wonderful new Italian movie. Number 3, it is in the large blue metal container. Therefore, the order of the adjective is very important. Turning to the examples here, the page of the exercise. My uncle bought a new black car. She lost a small white cat. Number 3, pass me the big blue plastic cups. He sat behind a big brown wooden desk. She was wearing beautiful red shoes. They live in a wonderful wooden house. Number 7, Amira has beautiful brown eyes. Number 8, he bought smart new trousers. Number 9, I sleep on a comfortable new bed. Number 10, my mother cooked a nice big meal. And number 2, I answered it and I sent it again on the WhatsApp. Turning to the second page. Second page is another examples. Exercise, answered exercise. I answered it, but please take care because some of this exercise depend on the reading. Okay? Therefore, I get it from the reading. Like cotton is best for cold climate. Here, number 2, gold is very expensive material, and so on. And number 4, as I told you, the sandals are different from yours. Okay, my sandals are different from yours. Different from, okay? Now, turning to the second page. Second page, again and again, it's another exercise. Turn to go to this page, important expressions. Here I do sport. Make your own clothes. Get the clothes. Take a photo. Keep soft. Make money. Everyone is working to make money. Do a job. As a result of your studying, you are going to succeed. Amazing at, a pair of, care about, in the market, on a special occasion, over there, all over the world, by hand, by the Nile, famous for, important to or important for you, instead of. Okay, of course, these are very important expressions by using the prepositions. Please study them well. Turn to the second page. Second page here speaking about language notes. Much plus comparative. When I want to describe or compare two things together, I use much taller, much fatter, much thinner when I want to say that it is exceeding taller. Okay? Yep, here, my brother is much taller than me. Use the to plus infinitive. When you did something in the past and stop doing it now, you say used to. What about when you want to suggest something? What about going? What about having? What about a nice cake? Okay, therefore, what about in the suggestion when you say it followed with noun or gerund? My grandfather used to go to a remote school. Remote school here, remote means far school. Basmala is much more. As I told you, much used for comparative. Now turning to second page. Second page here is speaking about demonstrative. This, that, these, those. This when you speak about or pointing to something very near to you and it is singular. That when you are pointing to something far from you, you say that. These when you are pointing to a very near things to you. Those when you are pointing to far things away from you. Here, I like this phone a lot. This is the best concert I went to. That cafe looks good. That was a great concert. Do you like these shoes? These two people are my neighbors, Saeed and Saeed. Those are my kids. Those were the best days of my life. Here from the surface, I'm speaking about demonstrative in general, but in the exercise you are going to see that he's going to use that and those not for far things only, but for past action. That when I'm speaking about a past action, those when I'm speaking about past actions. Okay? Therefore, take care because we are going to face it in the exercise now. One for singular, ones for plural. See those two girls? Hind is a tall one. Which is your car, the red one or the blue one? My trousers are old. I need some new ones. See those two girls? Helen is the one on the left. Let's look at the photographs, the ones you took in Paris, and so on. The last exercise telling you, this cookie looks nice, but that one looks delicious. Turning to the second page. Here is the exercise. I will have a piece of cake. Would you like to have one too? Let's watch a different film. This one is so boring. New cars need less petrol than old ones. We have 3 children. The oldest one is 15. I'm speaking about not all the 3 children. I'm speaking about one of them. Look at these trousers. Which one do you like, or which ones? Okay. Look, there is Martin. He is the one on the left. Have you seen my new glass? You mean the ones you bought? Look at this newspaper here. Here means that you are speaking about something near. Therefore you say this. When you speak about over there, you say that. Number 10. Here, these questions. I'm showing you the questions. I'm telling you these questions, something near. Look at this magazine here. Here is something near. Number 12. Was a great evening. Here it's a past action as I told you before. Therefore I use that. Why? Because it is a past action. And these are the exercises at the bottom.